second part of Thomas and Friends faces for Tomy Trackmaster. I haven't removed the support marks as always. I no pretend to sand. So we are watching at the image number 30. Compare side by side. Next, face number 29. We tried to achieve the best we could. Next image, face number 28. Not perfect, but it's better than nothing. Next, face number 27. Kind of sleepy. Looks good. Face number 26. 26. Face number 25 or the 25th. Let me see. There. 25. Let's continue with the face 24. Again, I did not make it perfect, but it's close. We got this closer. Next, some of these faces look almost the same. So what number is this? 23? Yes, 23. Face number 20 or 22. Now face number 21 or the 21st face. Face number 20. Is it 20? Yes, it's face number 20. Next, face 19. Not bad. Face 18. Face number 18. And the last, we have 17. Face number 17 for Tomy Trackmaster. The first, this is the second video, but I'm trying to, I have the first video not on yet, but I'm going backwards on these faces.